Hello friends, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn how to automatically rename a payment method based on the shipping country and apply it to only to a specific group of customers. For example, if the shipping country is selected as United States, then you can rename the bank deposit payment method to any other payment method, let's say like wire transfer, just for your group of golden customers. So let's see how we can do this. So before going to the video, please make sure that you have subscribed to our channel for more Shopify tips. So for setting this up, I'm using B2B order limit app, which is available from the Shopify app store. I have also attached the link to this app in the description box. You can check it out. After installing the app, open the app from the Shopify admin panel and click on payment rules. Now, click on Create New Rule. Now, let's name our rule. Let's say like rename payment method for gold members. Let's say like that. And now in this description field, if you have any additional notes to describe why this rule for and what this rule does, those additional notes you can add up here, which is completely an optional one. If you don't need to add, then skip this field. I'm just adding a kind of a note as rule set to rename the bank deposit payment method to wire transfer when shipping country is United States, and it will be only for the golden members. So I have to add my customer targeting as the customers with specific tag called VIP or golden customers. And if you need, you can also target your customers as all customers, or otherwise those customers who have spent a given amount or above amount of a limit, then you can set up all those settings on this in customer targetings. And in case of order conditions, like I'm selecting shipping country is one of, let's say like United States now. If you have multiple country to select, then scroll down and see the list and you can select the as your wish and just confirm it. And if you have multiple conditions to add, then click on add button from here and then choose your condition types. So whenever you are doing multiple conditions, you can also set some match type. Like if you need to match all the given conditions to get this rule applied, then you go for the all condition must match. Otherwise, you can pick the any condition must match. Then any of the given conditions will be matched, then the rule will be getting automatically applied. Now I am adding only one condition, which is shipping country is the US. And my action will be rename the payment method. So I'm planning to rename the bank deposit name to wire transfer. So I have added all my details here. Now the status is active. Let's save the changes. Now let's try to check out or let's try to test this in our online store. So I have some products in my cart. Let's try to check out this. So this is the country we have selected as Canada. So I can see the bank deposit for this. Now let's try to actually change our country to United States. I'm adding some addresses here. Now you can see that still the bank deposit is there. So why this? Because we haven't added the details of our golden customer. So this email ID is not belongs to my golden customer. So this bank deposit payment method will be still there. Let's try to add the golden details, golden customer details. So I have added the golden customers details now. Now you can see that the Bank transfer has changed to wire transfer, which we have added as the rule in our settings. So that's how you can automatically rename a payment method based on the shipping country and apply it to only to a specific group of customers too. So while you're waiting for, just grab the link from the description box and try this out in your online store. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also please do like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.